Good morning, students. In first year physics, we have 14 lessons. Okay. So, in that 14 lessons, the first lesson, units and measurements. Units and measurements. So, our previous class discussed about introduction part of units and measurements. So, what is called a physical quantity? What is called a physical quantity? So in physics, so many words are available, like distance, speed, velocity, force, energy, work, length, temperature, current, okay, amount of substance, intensity of light, so specific heat, so many words are available. These are all called as physical quantity. How to define physical quantity? So, if a quantity measured directly or indirectly, and it can express in the terms of physics laws, the quantity is said to be physical quantities. The quantity is said to be physical quantities. The physical quantities are so many physical quantities are available. So just now I told velocity, acceleration, displacement, energy, work, area, force, pressure. So many words are there. These are all called as physical quantities. So the physical quantities can be expressed by using units. And in our day-to-day life, we are using so many units: kgs, meter, seconds, hours. So these are all called as units. For if you are going to buy vegetables in the market, so we are asking to the sellers how to ask. So just we are asking. So you want to buy 2 kgs tomatoes. 2 kg is the unit. Kg is called the unit of mass. And if you ask anyone the distance between Hyderabad to Adilabad, how much distance? So he told 350 kilometers or meters or centimeters or millimeters. So these are the units of length. These are the units of length. If you are asking time to anyone, he told so hours, minutes or seconds. These are the units of time. So unit is the standard value of physical quantity. Unit is the standard value of physical quantity. So the numerical value, that is called n. The numerical value always inversely proportional to the unit. So n into u is equal to constant. So otherwise n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. So n1 n2 is the numerical values and u1 u2 is the physical quantity units for different systems. So u1 is a SI system, u2 is a CJ system. Otherwise u1 is the CJ system and u2 is the SI system, different units. So the numerical value inversely proportional to the unit. That means, for example, if you take 1000 grams. So the number is 1000, unit is gram, n into u. So it is converted into other unit, 1000 grams, 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Where the n is the number and the u is the unit. So the number is bigger, the unit is less. So here 1000 is a big number, gram is a small unit. So n is inversely proportional to unit. That's right. So if the number increases, unit decreases. Okay. So the number is more, so we are using less unit. If the number is less, we are using a big unit. Here the small unit, gram is a small unit, kg is a big unit. Here number 1 is a small number, unit is big unit. Here 1000 is the big number, unit is small unit. Okay, so the number is inversely proportional to the unit. So n1 in u1 is equal to n2 u2. n1 n2 is the physical numerical values of physical quantities, and u1 u2 is the units of different systems. Okay, so unit is the standard value of the measurement of standard value of physical quantity. Okay, so the units are mainly classified into three types. Basically, the units are mainly classified into three systems of units are available. So what are they? CJ system and FES system and SI system. SI system. So CJ system, in CJ system, length is measured in length is a fundamental quantity, mass and time. Okay. CJ system, length measured in centimeters, G for gram measured in gram, G for gram, S for second. In CJ system, length measured in centimeters, mass measured in grams, time measured in seconds. And FES system, length measured in foot, so mass measured in pound and time measured in second. And SI system also. So there are three system of units: CGS unit and FES unit, SI unit. So mass, length, time. So in CGS system, mass measure, length, mass. We take here mass. In CGS system, length measured in centimeter, and FES system, length measured in foot, and SI system or MK system, in MK system, mass measured in, length measured in meter. Okay. So in length measured in CGS system, C for centimeter and F for foot and M for MK system, M for meter. And mass measured in grams, pound and K for kg. And time measured in S for second. Okay. So in three types of system of units, in a CGS system, length measured in centimeter, C for centimeter, G for gram, mass measured in gram, S for second, time measured in second. And FES system, length measured in foot, mass measured in pound and time measured in second. And MKS system, length measured in meter and mass measured in kg, time measured in second. Here 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. 2.54 centimeters. These are called three system of units. In 1967, another system of units is introduced, that is SI system, International System of Units or System of Units. Introducing another unit of system. This is called as SI system. According to SI system, so the physical quantities are mainly classified into three types. First one is fundamental quantities, and second one is derived quantities, and third one is supplementary quantities. Okay. So according to